Struggling to find the text message action in Klaviyo's Flow Builder? Learn the exact clicks to send a customer SMS in under 2 minutes. We'll create a flow from scratch, set the right trigger, then add and configure your first text message step. First, head to the Flows tab to get started. Then, click the Create Flow button and choose Build Your Own to start from scratch. Now, type in a name for your flow so you can find it later. Once that's done, click Create Flow to save it. Next, select Placed Order. Then hit Save. And confirm by clicking Confirm and Save. Now click Add Action. Choose Text Message as the action type. Then click Set Up Text Message. Click Edit to open the message editor. And type in the text you want to send. After that, click Next. Review your settings, then click Review and Turn On. Finally, just hit Save, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.